warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafiz Azri. So today we're going to present about home HVAC system. It is a system that used to regulate temperature, humidity, and air quality. We use LM35 sensor as an input and LCD, LED, and buzzer as an output. So based on the block diagram, we can see that the power is being supplied to PIC and then it power up sensor. Then the sensor will go to three ways, which is the low temperature, which LED and LCD will work. For the medium temperature, the LED and LCD also will be working, and for the high temperature, the buzzer and the LCD will be working. So thank you so much.
The objective that we achieve is we learn to create a user-friendly system that homeowners can easily understand and operate without any technical expertise. Second, we learn to design and simulate C language programming for home heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system using MATLAB. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haikal Raslan. Okay, now I will explain about the methodology of the system. The device selection for the system is PIC16F877A Microcontroller. Okay, the input is LM35 as a temperature sensor, while the output is LCD to display temperature, LED to show an indicator for the user, and the last one is buzzer to show audio to alert user. For this system, we need to do some ADC calculation to get the maximum temperature that we need, which is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, next for the flowchart for this system is we setting the program allows the user to be adjustable in a range of 16 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, the first one is the received temperature value will indicate the condition of the output. Okay, we have three conditions of the temperature, which is the first one, if the temperature is below 16 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will turn off, LED will turn on, and LCD will display lower temperature. The second condition is if the temperature is between 16 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will turn off, LED pin RC0, RC1, RC6, and RC7 will turn on, and LCD will display medium temperature. The third condition is if the temperature is higher than 30 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will turn on, the LED will turn off, and LCD will display higher temperature. And I think that is all from me. Thank you for watching, and I will pass to my next crewmate.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Muiz bin Bahrain, and I would like to present about the C programming in our HVAC system. Okay, so for the firstly, this the accident H as the files as the IO, the H as the output, FOSC, config, watch the timer, escalator, the power up, border, low voltage, and then we use the 20 megahertz as our frequency, and then as you can see, we use the LCD data as the but the pin, RS pin, EM pin, LED pin, and also the temperature sensor that we use is LM35, also the buzzer. LCD is the sending command for the LCD, and this is also for the sending data for the LCD. Okay, and then as you can see, this is also the sending command for LCD, which include our calculation, and then this is for the use the if else condition, and then for the INT, this is for the checking for the null numerator, and then this, okay, so this is for the main function. We use this for the configures the input output direction of this for sensor LCD, and also buzzer for the aircon and icon 1, which to initialize the analog to digital converter and provides delay for stabilization, for unsigned record, for declare the variable to store the ADC. Okay, then for this CHS2 equal to 0 to execute the HVAC system function to and then we select to the input analog for the reading temperature. Go down for initiates the ADC conversions and waits until it's complete. This records address is set to convert the ADC result the temperature using the formula and assign it to the temperature variable. So for this is for the lower condition, which will be explained for my friend will be explaining. This for medium temperature, and this also for the high temperature. This all from me. Thank you very much.
Next, I will show you how the HVAC system will react under three different conditions. Currently, the LM35, our temperature sensor, is detecting 1.65 Celsius, indicating that the temperature is lower. This information is displayed on the LCD display. All of the LED lights are off and the buzzer are also off. Next, for the condition 2, when the LM35 temperature is detecting the temperature from 16 Celsius to 30 Celsius, it's indicating medium temperature. The LCD display will show the medium temperature alongside with the current temperature. LED RC2, RC3, RC4 and RC5 will be on, indicating that the temperature is in a medium or normal state. The buzzer remain off. Lastly, for condition 3, if the LM detects the temperature more than 30 Celsius, it is considered hot or higher